Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about the Exceed RC Terrain Short Course Truck 1/10 scale. Yeah! So, I picked this up used on Amazon, or on eBay I should say. I picked this up used for $69.99. That's what the guy had it selling for. I bought it. I can't complain. But, let me just show you. So, this is the body it comes with. It's a nice little body. I mounted a little GoPro thing on the top so I could get some footage, which I'll show you in this in the video coming up. But to start off, it comes with this nice roll cage. I like it like this. You can drive it without the top, or you can just drive it like this, which is pretty sick. It comes with two little fake dudes right there, just the heads, but it's pretty dope. It comes with a nice little tire on the top, a little scale look. Tire is not replaceable. You cannot use it on any of these wheels, which kind of sucks, but whatever. Can't complain. It does come with oil-filled shocks, which this one definitely, I'm going to be doing a full build series on this, so stay tuned for that. But as you see, the shocks definitely need some oil. Look at that. That's just too squishy. I'm going to clean those out. It does come with 12mm hex wheels. I don't know of any wheels. I've been looking all over to try to find some wheels that will fit this, but I don't know of any yet that will fit it, but whatever. It comes with a 550 brushed motor, and it comes with a 1800 milliamp NIM battery. But the thing with this is that I am swapping out all of this, all of it. It is 4-wheel drive, by the way, also, if you want to know. It's an all-wheel drive truck. And then let's just have a look on the inside. All that dirt in this video. You're about to see me ride, or see my wife actually drive this. So she was just hauling. She was loving it though. But yeah, anyways, back to the point. So I'm going to replace all of this. The motor, I already have a Hobby Wing motor. I already have the ESC. I already have the receiver, because I mean, I'm going to use it with my own transmitter. Well, the transmitter I have is a FlySky, whatever you want to call it. I have that, so I'm just gonna, all my trucks and buggies or whatever are linked to that. It comes with this one, which is not bad. It's not that bad of a controller. You can control some parameters on it, but yeah, you know, if you have a controller, why do you need these ones? Just I have 10 slots on my FlySky, so it can hold 10 different trucks and buggies, whatever you want, rock haulers. But yeah, it comes with this 550 brush, comes with the ESC, I believe it's a 50 amp, I don't know, to be honest, a 40 amp or 50 amp brush ESC. I am going to swap it all out. If you really are serious about getting into racing and all that, I would not recommend this. If you are serious about racing, if you're trying to get into some real races, or even just go to the track and really have fun and keep up, I would not recommend this. If you want to just go to the track and dick around, or you want to go to your backyard and just screw around, this would be the truck for you, because it's cheap, parts are available, not as much as Team Associated or any of the other big companies. If I were you, I would go with an Associated. I know a lot of people don't like Team Associated, but I love all their trucks. I love their SE10, I love their B5Ms. But yeah, I can't say enough. Let me go grab the motor real quick. So this is the brushless system I'm replacing this with. So it comes with a 3300 kV 12-turn brushless motor, and it comes with a 60 amp ESC. It comes with a 60 amp ESC, 12-turn 3300 kV brushless motor. And also, if you didn't catch the name of that motor, that brushless motor combo set I was using, that was a Leopard Sky RC 3300 kV 12-turn brushless motor, 60 amp ESC. But yeah, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and enjoy the rest of this video watching my wife drive the shit out of this truck. So until next time, hit that like button, subscribe button, and peace. What'd you think?
It's pretty fun to drive.
You like it?
Oh yeah.
Are you ready to get your own and we race?
I do. I want to get a pink one. I'm pretty good at it.
For sure, you are.
Except for the returning around. But
well, you got better now. I don't know how you did it.
Well, because sometimes when you do turn it all the way left, it doesn't turn.
Oh. This shot looks amazing right now. I should take a picture of you. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. What should they do?
Like and subscribe.
And until next time.
Peace out.